This is how to use the Valorant Killfeed Template in Premiere Pro, making your video more engaging, highlighting key moments in your gameplay videos with stylish visuals, and making your content stand out. In this video, you will learn how to apply the template, the section of the template, and how to customize the agent, weapon, and indicator image. Now let's get started on how to apply the template. On Premiere Pro, switch to the graphics workspace to see all installed template on the Essential Graphics panel, and make sure to install the Valorant Killfeed Template in Premiere Pro. If you haven't installed the template yet, check the info card above to learn how to install the template on Premiere Pro. Now, drag the Valorant Killfeed template from the Essential Graphics panel directly onto your timeline. Now, we go to the section of the template. To understand the template, it has three main parts. First, you play your agent, shows the character you're playing as. Second, weapon and indicator, highlight the weapon and indicator used in the game. And third, enemy agent, shows the character you defeated in the game. To avoid confusion, it's good to know each part of the template. Now let's dive into customizing the image of the agent, weapon, and indicator in the template to perfectly match with your gameplay footage. In the agent section, uncheck the current agent, which is set to ISO by default. Then, select the agent you use in the gameplay footage. This will update the player's image on the template correctly. If you don't uncheck the current agent first, the image might overlap, making it hard to see the agent you want to show clearly. Just like before, uncheck the current choice and pick the right weapon and indicator that you use in the gameplay footage. By following these steps, you can use the Valorant Killfeed template to enhance your gameplay content, making your video look more polished and engaging. To stay up to date on this channel, subscribe to the Hey Dapa Template YouTube channel or click other video demos to see more.